After our video last year discussing checkpoint inhibitors, this led to a lot of comments asking us to talk about a very specific drug called Opdivo, which is a monoclonal antibody with the chemical name of Nivolumab. And this is an immunotherapy that's approved for melanoma, lung, kidney, liver cancers, as well as mesothelioma. And that's at this current time, although it may have more indications in the future. And it has a very similar mechanism of action as another drug that I broke down called Keytruda. So I'll link that video to this video's description below. But where these two drugs differ is first in their approved indications, or what they can be used to treat, the treatment frequencies, or how often one is actually getting the dose, as well as Keytruda is typically the only immunotherapy that's used when one is receiving the treatment, whereas Opdivo can be combined with other immunotherapies. But let's zoom in on this mechanism of action a bit more. Now, our immune cells, or our T cells, are able to recognize and attack cancerous cells or tumors through a specific receptor called PD-1. And that PD-1 receptor finds cancerous cells and then elicits an immune response to kill it. However, the cancer cells know how to fight back, and they can release specific proteins called PD-L1 and PD-L2 that are actually able to go on and bind to the PD-1 receptor on our T cells, allowing that T cell to just continue bypassing cancerous cells and tumors, almost giving those cancerous cells a disguise so they can continue to proliferate. However, when one is treated with Opdivo, this monoclonal antibody can protect those PD-1 receptors, almost acting like a shield, not allowing the PD-L1 and PD-L2 proteins released by the cancerous cell to interact with the receptor, and then that T cell can go on, identify and kill those cancerous cells or tumors. So if you have another cancer drug that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video so we can discuss it, and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy this related video that I have over here. I'll see you on the next one.